Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own beeswax and olive oil finish for wooden items such as wooden toys. So let's get started. So here we have our pan that we will melt this in. So we'll put in our olive oil. We have a cup here. We'll also need an ounce of beeswax. So we got our cup of olive oil in there. Then we'll take our ounce of beeswax. So we'll just set that there. You could do this on a stove or something, but I'm going to be using a blowtorch. Melt it. Now that we got it all melted and mixed, and once it hardens up, it's good to go. And you probably even use it before it hardens up, but you might burn your fingers, so I wouldn't advise it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.